Editing and Formatting in Word 2016. This chapter will focus on selecting the text, editing the text, and formatting the text. In the previous chapter, you learned how to create and save a document in Word 2016. You also learned to do some basic editing such as copying and pasting, moving the text, adding the text, deleting the text. Now let us clearly learn how to select the text. In most cases, you need to select the text before you can make changes. Text can be selected by using the mouse or the keyboard. The selected text gets a gray background. Selecting text using a mouse. To select text using a mouse, follow these steps. Step 1. Place the cursor before the text to be selected. Just like this. Okay? Step 2. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse over the text to be selected. Step number 3. Release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. Selecting text using a keyboard. You can even select text using the keys on your keyboard. First, place the cursor to the left of the first character that you want to select. Then, use the following key combinations. One character to the left, shift, plus and left arrow. One character to the right, press shift plus right arrow. If you want to go one line up, press shift plus up arrow. One line down, shift plus down arrow. And to the end of the current line, press shift plus end key. And to the beginning of the current line, shift plus home key. To the end of the current document, shift plus control plus end. To the beginning of the document, press shift plus control plus home. And to select the entire document, press Ctrl A. So this is how you select different kinds of text in a document. Now how do I edit the text? While working on a document, we often need to make changes to the document like adding new text, deleting unwanted text, shifting some text, etc. So making such changes in an existing text is called editing a document. How do you add new text? You can insert new text at any point in our existing document. To do this, follow these steps. Step 1. Position the cursor at the point where the new text has to be inserted. Step 2. Start typing the new text. The new text is inserted and the existing text shifts towards the right. Okay? Now copying and moving text. To copy text from one place to another, you can use the copy and paste commands. The copy command creates a duplicate of the selected text. The paste command pastes the copied text at the position where the cursor is placed. The steps to copy and paste text are: Step 1. Select the text you want to copy. Step 2. Select on the copy button on the home tab in the clipboard group. So what is the quick tip? To copy the selected text, press Ctrl plus C. Step 3. Place the cursor where you want the text to be pasted. Step 4. Click on the paste button on the home tab in the clipboard group. The copied text appears at its new location in the document. How do you paste? To paste the copied text, Ctrl plus V. Cutting and pasting the text. The cut and the paste commands can also be used to move text from one place to another in a document. The cut command deletes the text from the original position. This text will be placed at the cursor location by the paste command. Quick tip: to cut the selected text, press Ctrl and X. Okay, so deleting the text. To delete a character, press either the delete key or the backspace key. The delete key removes the character to the right of the cursor position, whereas the backspace key removes the character to the left of the cursor position. To delete a block of text, select the text and then press the delete key or the backspace key. Undo and redo an action. The undo function is used to reverse a mistake, such as deleting the wrong word in a sentence. The redo function restores any actions that were previously undone using an undo. Formatting the text. Formatting is the process of modifying the appearance of a document in order to make it more appealing. This can be done by modifying the font type, font size, font style, adjusting line and paragraph spacing, aligning text and performing other tasks. You can format your text by following the given steps. Step 1. Select the text you want to format. Step 2. Apply the desired effect. Applying bold, italic and underline. You can make the text look bold, italic or underline. To change the font style, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text that you want to change. Step 2. On the Home tab, in the font group, click on the bold, italic and or underline options and the selected text changes accordingly. What are the quick tips? Ctrl plus B will make your text bold. Ctrl plus I will make the text italic. Ctrl plus U will make the text underline. Changing the font type. Font refers to the shape or appearance of the characters. Different types of fonts are available such as Calibri, Arial, Times New Roman, Comic Sans, etc. The following table represents a list of some fonts and their appearance. You can see the different fonts here, children. Calibri. You can also observe Comic Sans font, Arial black font, brush script empty font. So to change the font type, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text that you want to change. Step 2. On the Home tab in the font group, click on the drop-down arrow of the font button. A drop-down list appears to select the font name. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the various fonts. A live preview of the font will appear in the document. Choose any font type by clicking on it. Changing the font size. Font size refers to the size of the text. Changing the font size makes the text appear big or small. Tidbit. The default font type in the Word 2016 is Calibri. Fact hunt. The font size is measured in points. To change the font size, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the font size button in the font group. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Move the mouse over the various font sizes. A live preview of the font size will appear in the document. Choose the desired font size by clicking on it. Changing the font color. To change the text color, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow of the font color button in the font group. A box of various color appears. Step 3. Move the mouse over the various font colors. A live preview of the font color will appear in the document. Choose the desired color by clicking on it. Trivia. You can also make customized colors by selecting the More Colors option. Snippet. In the font group, there is a clear formatting option. It removes the formatting that has been applied to the text and leaves behind plain text. Text effects. Word 2016's text effects feature enables the application of impressive effects to any text. Follow these steps to apply the text effects to the selected text. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the text effect option in font group. A list of text effect will appear. Step 4. Choose the text effect you want to apply to your text. The text will appear in the selected effect. How do you align the text, children? Alignment refers to the placement of text between the left and the right margins in the document. There are 4 types of alignments in Word 2016. Select the text and choose one of the following options from the paragraph group under the Home tab to change the text alignment. What is align left? In this alignment, the selected text aligns to the left margin of the page. By default, the text is always aligned to the left margin. Center. In center alignment, the selected text is aligned in the middle of the left and the right margins. Align right. In right alignment, the selected text aligns to the right margin of the page. Justify. In justified alignment, both the left and the right margins are lined up with the selected text. A quick tip. To align left, press Ctrl plus L. To align center, press Ctrl plus E. To align right, press Ctrl plus R. To align justify, press Ctrl plus J. Applying borders and shading. You can apply borders to a particular page or to all the pages of your document. To apply a border, follow these steps. Step 1. On the Home tab, in the paragraph group, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Borders button. A drop-down list appears. Step 2. Select the border and shading option. A border and shading dialog box appears. Step 3. Click on the Page Border tab. Select the desired border style, color and width. Step 4. Click on the Shading tab if required. Select the desired shading color and style. Then click on the OK button. Removing a border. To remove the border, follow these steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the text with a border. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the drop-down menu on the border option in the paragraph group. Step 4. Select the No Border option and the border will be removed from the text. Adding the bullet and the number list. A bulleted list is a typed list in which separate paragraphs are highlighted by putting a symbol in front of the list. To create a bulleted list, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text that you want to format as a bulleted list. Step 2. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button in the paragraph group. A drop-down list of bullet styles appears. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the different bullet styles. A live preview of the bullet style will appear in the document. Select the bullet style you want to use. A numbered list is a typed list in which separate paragraphs have a sequenced number in front of the list. You can format your list with numbers, letters, Roman numerals. To create a numbered list, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text that you want to format as a numbered list. Step 2. On the Home tab, click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering button in the paragraph group. A drop-down list of number styles appears. Step 3. Move the mouse over the various number styles. A live preview of the number style will appear in the document. Select the number style you want to use. A quick tip: to finish the list, press the Enter key twice. Now let us quickly have a chapter recap. In Word, the majority of text-related tasks are completed in 2 steps: selecting the text and making the appropriate modifications. The selected area is the area between the ruler and the document. Text formatting involves modifying the text's look and layout. A typeface is a collection of identically sized, designed, and styled characters, letters, and symbols used for typing. The use of bold makes text dense and black. By putting a line under the text, an underline emphasizes the text. When this option is chosen, italic text is inclined to the right. Text alignment refers to the placement or appearance of text in relation to the margins of a document. Word 2016 offers 4 alignment options: align left, align center, align right, and justify. We can make our document more appealing by applying a border to a text block or the entire page. Each item in a list is denoted by a bullet.